Good morning. This lesson will focus on your listening and speaking skills. Today you will perform an activity called interaction lines. Now for this you will be divided into two groups. Group A and Group B. The first Group A will watch the first half of the animated video, which is called Storyteller Life of Roald Dahl, and Group B will watch the second half of the video. Now I will ask Group A students to stand in a straight line, and Group B students will also form a straight line standing facing Group A in such a way that one student faces the other. Okay, I hope you have followed these instructions so far. And the next thing is for Group A students to start speaking all that they heard from the first half of the video. While Group A speaks, Group B will be listening very carefully. Okay? And then you will stop and then we will switch roles. Group B students will start speaking and Group A students will listen. So this is a listening and speaking activity. Finally, I will show you the entire video and all of you will watch it together, and after we watch it, we'll have a discussion about the contents of the video. This is going to be your first activity and we will be doing this shortly. I hope you're all excited about this. The second activity is going to be a note-taking activity, and we call it the Cornell method of note-taking. Now, this method is useful because it helps you visually see the things that you're hearing. This method helps to register the information in your brains. And let me show you how this is to be done. Okay? For this activity, you need to have your A4 sheets or your notebooks, your pencils, erasers handy with you, and probably a ruler as well. Now, you will be drawing three boxes. One large box to the left and one smaller box to the right and another box beneath these two boxes. Now, I'm going to demonstrate to you how it is to be done, right? Yeah. First, let's draw a big square and draw boxes like this. They're not straight lines, but I hope you will use a ruler and make straight lines. So, in the left box is where you will put down your main ideas as you are watching the video. Okay, so this is done in real time. And on the right side, you will write the key points, or you could also write some new vocabulary. Fine? Then, and in this box, you will write the summary after you finish watching the video, and for this I'll give you a few minutes. This is how it's going to be done. Now let's watch the video and we'll keep pausing it and write down the main ideas. Let's listen to the first part of the animated video. Okay? So the first point was Roald Dahl, born 1916. Okay? Then, the next important thing was that the character Willy Wonka was Roald's alter ego. So, shall we write that? So the next point that we can write is that Roald wrote imaginative and creative stories. So and on the left side of the box we can write born 1916. We can write words like imaginative and creative. Okay. The next thing we heard was that he was raised by his mother and his father died when Roald was 3 years old. So So here we can write mother raised him, father died when he was 3. Now you could either do that, or since it's repetitive we could just write the new words on the right side of the smaller box. Now once we are done with listening to the video and writing the main points on the left side and making notes on the right side as well, we will stop watching the video and I will give you some time to summarize at the bottom here. You will write a summary of the entire video that you watched at the bottom, and this will help you recollect everything that you watched, and it will, I'm sure, help you with your listening skills.